Hi, I'm Dr. Kavita Vapat. Online consultation is a future. When you are considering seeking an online consultation with a doctor, as you have noticed, online medical consultation is a rage currently. If you are wondering if you too should a part of the bandwagon, then let us tell you, you won't regret the decision. It might seem new and daunting, but e-consultation comes with unique benefits once you have grasped and a simple technological know and how. You will find yourself wanting to opt it, and this is especially handy during the current COVID-19 pandemic. So now, the medical benefits of medical consultation, the number one benefit is no fear of contracting COVID-19. It's a very important nowadays, and e-consultation keeps both the doctors and the patients protected from the COVID-19, even if they did not to meet each other, and we can do the consultation online. The second most important point is no more waiting queues. Remember how tedious it used to be to wait for your turn. If you are feeling really unwell, being seated in the waiting room you can make you feel even sicker. Waiting is so difficult for the children or the elderly, but online consultation does away with the discomfort of traveling when sick feeling outforms an endless wait into the waiting room of the doctor. All you have just to book a consultation on your computer. You can do that when you are feeling better or get some to do that for you. And you can get slot arrives, you will simply log in and start interacting with your doctor. Number third important point at the advantage of online consultation is easier to fit into your busy lives. Slotting in a visit to a doctor in your schedule can be nightmare given you a busy viewer wherever there is yourself or someone in your family. Commuting to and from to the clinic can take away a large chunk of your day, and being busy buddies that we are almost impossible to carve out time anything and but work a bit with relaxation. Besides, we are tired, and after a long hard work of the day, it is much hassle free to simply opt for the online consultation and comfort you from home. You just have to available for the time and just take the slot out the time. Then the fourth and most important thing is save money. Online medical consultation is cost effective in two ways. Firstly, many medical platforms such as there are platforms over there, so you can get sound and helpful medical advice, and you can get the best doctors without having to pay exorbitant fees like you have for the traditional consultation. And another is, no matter wherever you are living, you are far away and you can go to another cities and do the consultation with the doctors who practices medicine, and you can still consult regardless of your location. Secondly, you can save money that would otherwise have gone into paying for your commute to the doctor's clinic. Fifth point is zero awkwardness. If your consultation in the outpatient department of the hospital or clinic, things can get little awkward, especially if you need to talk about sexual health problems or any other problems. But online medical consultation provide absolute privacy, and it is only you and your doctor here. There are few things to remember when opting for e-consultation is: number one, to make the most online medical consultation, follow these tips. Only opt certified e-consultation platforms. Look for the doctor's license number on the website. Do not be late for the consultation. Make sure you have excellent internet connectivity. Make sure that you have a good medical history in hand. Prepare what you have to say beforehand and that you don't miss anything. Inform doctor of any medicines you are taking. Ask precise questions such as what is wrong what is with your health, what should you do. Note down the doctor's instruction and make sure that the doctor sign the prescription before it emailed to you. So, the online medical consultation suitable for our 21st century life, the technology aims make the lives more convenient. So why not embrace the online consultation? They are in the future and perfect tool to make medical consultation simple and convenient too. Thank you so much for the patient listening.